Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. New car dealer trade. I've had it for a couple weeks. It had a scratch. Just got back from the paint shop, got cleaned up, detailed, buffed, polished. Really nice. 16 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. I guess we'll start with the inside of this one since all the doors are open. See the black leather. It also had a bad spot in the seat right there, so we sent the seat out and had a new panel installed instead of just patching it together like most dealers do, and then a couple months later it falls apart again. So brand new panel in the seat, so that's all good to go. Really nice truck, nicely equipped LTZ, heated seats, ventilated seats, navigation, sunroof, DVD player, center row buckets, third row seat, and car's in really nice condition. We have not put this truck through the shop yet. It's going in Monday. This is Saturday when I'm taking this video because I just got the seat back, so I wanted to get the video in line. We'll have the truck in the shop. Runs and drives great. It does not have cold air, so I don't know if it's got a leak, if it needs a new compressor, but whatever it needs we will fix, and it'll be in great shape when we're done. We'll do all the fluids and filters, make sure all the services are up to date. Normally service the transmissions in these Chevys unless it's already been done, so I haven't looked yet to find out. But look how nice this thing is. I was happy to find it. I have a 13 that looks just like it with a little less miles, but either truck you could not go wrong. We have financing available. This one has $134,000. Has the heads-up display, memory seating, all the good stuff. We have financing available for good and bad credit. You can see the Carfax on my website free of charge, SawneeMountainMotors.com. The last entry after it comes out of the shop, the last entry on the Carfax will tell you everything we did to it. But of course, anytime you can give me a call directly on my cell, 404-867-5028. Once again, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.